Welcome to Sparky once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this Momotube platform withdrawal update in 2025. Okay, recently I made a review videos about this platform concerning Momotube, and in my previous video I stated every single thing everyone should know about this platform before joining. So for those of you who have been making endless researches on how can you withdraw money, you withdraw money and it is pending, you withdraw money have not been paid, it is showing approved. All right, calm down, because in this video tutorial I am going to be revealing to you guys the real truth about this platform, everything you should know about the withdrawal update in this platform known as Momotube. Just yesterday someone sent me this link on WhatsApp and was like, boss, help us check this thing, and I told him that I've already made a review video concerning this very platform, yeah, known as Momotube, as you can see on your screen. All right, so in my previous video I talked about the legitimacy of this platform, if it is actually a legitimate platform or a scam platform. All right, now I will briefly explain the withdrawal process in this video tutorial, if you can actually withdraw or you cannot withdraw. But before we proceed, guys, my name is Sparky. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, what I do on this channel is all about business updates. I share legit ways of making money online and online jobs updates. So for you not to miss out any of my latest updates, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release videos on money making online. All right, and then if you are interested in getting in touch with me, that's if you want to get in touch with me as well, you can also join my WhatsApp community. We share tips there on money making updates. All right, we share tips, legit ways you can make money online. You can go to comment section and then you can actually join my WhatsApp group, that's my WhatsApp community. All right, then now let's talk about this platform known as Momotube. What is this platform is all about, and how does it work, and how do you withdraw this money? All right, now the guy that messaged me yesterday, I clearly stated that this platform is actually a fake platform, so there will be no time beating the bush. I don't want to waste your time, guys, in this video. So now when you wait for some time on this platform, you'll be seeing so person withdraw so amount, so person withdraw so amount. You see what I'm saying now? You see, but via OP, all these things you are seeing are fake. Now this platform claim that one can actually earn money when they watch videos. I mean, they promise a lot of people that when you watch the video they will pay you to 1,000, 1,500. A lot of things the platform promise people, and guess what? All these things you see on this platform are not real, guys. They are all fake. I have stated that in my previous video, and a lot of people have made money and withdraw. Even people confirmed it on the previous video I made in the comment section. A lot of people said it, they place withdrawal. Now when you place withdrawal, it is going to show you approved. Not only showing you approved, but the question, are you going to get credited to your bank account? The answer is capital no. Reason be that this platform is actually a fake platform. They only waste people's data, that's all. They don't pay you. All right, so no matter how you cash out, if you cash out from now till tomorrow, you are not going to get paid, because the platform is a fake platform and does not have any means of generating revenue for their user. So for those of you who have been making endless researches, how can I withdraw from Momotube, is Momotube real or fake? Please, you should know that Momotube is a fake platform and it is not legit. All right, so it should be, in case you did not watch the review video I made, the full review video I made, the next video that is going to play after this one is the review video. Please make sure to watch it so that you will get to know more how to scam, how to spot out all those fake platforms that promises people that when you do this they pay you money, you do that they pay you money. Please, it's very important you watch the other video so that you will get to learn how all these things are being done, so that whenever you see something scam online you can easily spot it. All right, so for those of you who have been earning on this platform thinking that you are going to withdraw, I am really sorry, guys. I'm sorry to tell you guys that the platform is a fake platform. All right, so it is not real. So all these things you are in here now, why did I say it's not real? Some of you will be saying, but these people are in, but people are, you are seeing withdrawal now, you are seeing withdrawal. No. Now it's not like they're asking you to put money. They are not asking you to put money. But why are they fake? They are fake because they're not paying people. They only ask people to watch video. People watch video, and then at the end of the day, they will ask you to withdraw. When you withdraw, they will not pay you the money. Do you understand? So that's the thing. Some people even complain on the comment section on the video I made months ago about this platform that the withdrawal will be showing approved, but they're not receiving the money. Yes, I mean, how can a platform promise you that If you watch a video, just a single clip of video you watch, they're going to pay you 1,500. Haba, are they plugging money from three? So these are the questions you should ask yourself. So all these platform that promises you get rich quick, they are not real, they are fake. That's the reason why I'm always advising all my viewers to always conduct adequate background researches before venturing into enough all these online businesses that claim that they are paying people's money, they are paying people money. It is very important you always make research so that you will not fall a victim of all those scam one, and even those one that will waste your time, waste your data and energy. So make sure to always conduct research. All right, now I am making this video based on honest. This is the honest truth about this platform, because I am an experienced fellow of this platform, and that's the reason why I can confidently give you the full detailed information you need to know. It's not all about earning on the platform, but what is it all about? It is all about when you place your withdrawal, will you be paid? The answer is capital no, and that is what makes this platform fake. For you to withdraw and you will not be paid, and it will be pending forever. For over 4 months now or thereabout, people have been joining, earning, and they can't withdraw. So that is it, guys. So take note that this platform is not a real platform, it is a fake platform. Thank you for watching this video, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe so that you not miss out any of my latest updates. All right, and then don't forget there is love in sharing. A lot of people are still making research about this app withdrawal. If they can withdraw those money they're earning, please, you will be helping people today by sharing this video. You may be saving someone's time and energy, so a lot of people can get to know the real truth about this platform. Thank you as you share this video. Stay safe and remain blessed.